In this video I'm going to be running you guys through opening up this expanding hose. I got the 50-foot version. I'm just going to unbox it for you guys and show you guys the setup. Alright, looks like it's going to come in a nice bag here. So let's get this open. I don't like using these strings, but so to keep it secure, actually not too bad. They open just like this. And here we have the hose itself. Comes with a nozzle here, and let's see, looks like this end will connect here, so we'll put the nozzle here. Cool. And then we will attach it to my what's the word for this, a spigot, and let's see how this goes. Yeah, it's expanding, that's for sure. Just gonna make sure it doesn't get wound up. And here we go. Now it is working. Very cool. So yeah, all we're gonna do is twist it down, and then it goes, and we can twist it like this, and then we have no water. Now it looks like we can also change it to be a jet, and there we go. Hope this helped you guys out, and have a good day.